Scenario is if you are big baller, big budget, and you book luxury trips like African safaris or big world cruises, you probably want to go with an individual plan that covers that specific trip that gives you much higher trip cancellation limits. Because my plan, my annual plan with Allianz, it has very limited cancellation coverage. And if I'm taking a $20,000 African safari, only $2,000 of that is going to be covered if there's a cancellation, because that's the limitation of my policy. But if you travel multiple times a year and you're trying to cover multiple people in your household, an annual plan is usually more effective. And I have a webpage that explains all of this. You can check it out here, and there are links on there where you can get an instant quote for an individual trip, cruise or land, and you can also price out the annual policy for your family. So that's a perfect segue into my last question, which is how can I buy a policy? If you're interested in an Allianz annual plan, all you have to do is submit my form. I have a whole landing page that describes all of this stuff that I've learned through my own research, and I will send you a personalized price quote. If you only need coverage for one trip, you can also get an instant online quote. You put in your trip details and it will tell you how much it's gonna cost for Allianz to cover you for that one specific trip. And again, that's not just cruise travel. You can get a price quote for land trips as well. All inclusives, everything. And the best thing, what I love about Allianz and why I am so passionate about it, they offer a 15-day satisfaction guarantee. So if you fill out my form, you buy a plan, you decide you don't want it, you can get a refund as long as you cancel within 15 days and as long as you haven't started your trip or filed a claim.